God is very measured and intentional in His judgment and discipline. See, when people become angry, they often lose it completely. You become like a madman, a loose cannon, totally out of control. People become angry and they start shouting and screaming and slamming doors and throwing things. I hope you don't do that. That's not the right way to handle your anger. The Bible says, be angry and sin not. Okay, so the Bible says, be angry and sin not. So that's not the right way to handle your anger. But what we see here is that God is not like an out-of-control human in His anger and His judgment. No, God is very measured and very intentional in His judgments and in His discipline. We saw when the seals were opened, especially the fourth seal, which was the fourth apocalyptic horse of death, God gave death the power to kill a fourth of the people of the earth, 25%. Now when we come to the trumpets, God is increasing the intensity. God's not losing control. He's not just mad and doing mad things. He's intentional and very measured now in His bringing of judgments to the world. And He increases it from 25% to a third of the world. Did you see that? In the first trumpet, a third of the trees and the earth is burnt. The second trumpet, a third of the sea is struck. The third trumpet, a third of the drinking water becomes poisonous. God is in a measured way increasing the intensity of His wrath. And that's an important lesson to learn, because that's also the way God worked with His people Israel in the past. And that is the way God will work in your life if there's sin in your life. When there's sin, God will not just wipe you off the earth. Are you thankful for that? Are you thankful for that? Yes, we're thankful for that. But God will. If there's unconfessed sin in your life and unrepentant sin, you keep holding on to that, God will increase the intensity, as we see in the book of Revelation, bit by bit by bit. We see this even in the Old Testament.